Welcome back to my channel, boys and girls, and good morning, good afternoon to everybody's watching the video. And you're watching Tech It Simple YouTube channel, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how we guys can log into Step Team Banking. So for this, you need to download the app of Step Team Banking. So it's available in your Play Store or App Store. Download it, and after download it, basically just follow the steps which I'm going to be showing you. But before I show you the steps, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, make notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. Now let's move on, shall we? So you open the app. Once you open the app, basically, it's going to straight up ask you to sign up or log in. So you just want to click on sign up or log in over here. Once you're over here, you want to enter the phone number. Once you enter your phone number, you just want to it connects over here. After that, it's going to verify your phone number. By that I mean it's going to send like a verification code your phone number via SMS. You need to check that SMS and enter the code given to you. Once in the code over here, basically you're good to go. It's going to take you to another step, is just logging into your account. So that's basically how you guys can do it. But since this mobile number doesn't exist, which means I haven't signed up into Step Team Banking, so it's not going to send me a verification. But if I did have like a number linked with 17 Banking, it was going to send a verification code. Alright, so that's basically how you guys gonna log in, to just enter the verification code and you're good to go. So hope you guys were able to understand, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.